this question says, this finding can best be explained by increased activity of an enzyme, but which of the following function? The question asks about the function of an enzyme. An investigator is studying the biology of human sperm cell. She isolates spermatogonia obtained on testicular biopsy from a group of healthy male volunteers. She finds that the DNA of spermatogonia obtained from these cells shows a large number of TTAGG sequence repeats. Okay, TTAGG sequence repeats is seen in the telomeres, at the end of DNA. This finding can be best explained by increased activity of which of the following functions. Okay, TTAG genes are at the end of DNA is added by an enzyme called telomerase. Telomerase helps the DNA to prevent genetic material loss. Telomerase has its own template, that's RNA template, that synthesize DNA, these segments at the end of DNA. Telomerase, the right option here is choice E. Telomerase is RNA dependent synthesis, RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Telomerase is an RNA dependent DNA polymerase, which adds these segments TTAGG at the end of chromosome to prevent genetic material loss. The remainder is, for example, choice A, elongation of lagging strand. Elongation of lagging strand is the function of DNA polymerase delta in eukaryotes. Ligation of Okazaki fragment during replication is the function of ligase enzyme. Hemimethylation of DNA strand is the function of methylase enzyme that adds methyl group. That's more commonly seen in prokaryotes, not eukaryotes. Proofreading of synthesized daughter strands. Proofreading of newly synthesized DNA is the function of DNA polymerase, especially DNA polymerase delta and DNA polymerase epsilon in eukaryotes. Okay, choice F, production of short RNA sequences. It's the function of RNA primase, which brings these short RNA templates to the lagging strand, and this template, through the help of these templates, the DNA polymerase delta can start the elongation of lagging strand. The right option is choice E, RNA dependent synthesis of DNA. This is the function of telomerase. By this action, by adding these TTAGG sequence at the end of chromosome, this enzyme prevents genetic material loss.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.